Have you ever heard of Ajwain? Also known as carom seeds, Ajwain is a spice commonly used in Indian cuisine. But did you know that Ajwain also has numerous health benefits? Ajwain is known to aid in digestion, relieve acidity, and improve bowel movement. It can also provide relief from stomach pain and flatulence. Additionally, Ajwain has anti-inflammatory properties and can help alleviate respiratory issues such as cough and cold. So next time you cook, consider adding a pinch of Ajwain to reap its health benefits.